Hello, this is Michael Song from REGENI. About our mobile dryer RG202, it is to detach the glass and front cover of the smartphone. So this day I want to demonstrate to disassemble the smartphone Galaxy S5. At first we arranged our main items: RG202 silicone clean mat, which has heat resistance and anti-ESD, and there are three neodymium magnets. Two magnetized disassembled screws. So you can place on the three locations and use anti-ESD screwdrivers. You can place the disassembled screws, and when you pick up the screws, you can easily walk. And we also placed our disassembly tool, RG513, which is made of nano carbon tube, and which has slippery preventive protrusions and optimum thickness to take apart this smartphone. And this tool also had specially operated stainless steel, which has good resiliency. And we also prepared anti-ESD tweezers, and we arranged two glass observers to disassemble the front cover and glass, and two aluminum plates and silicone inner pads, and the two clamps. And when you connected the RG202 AC 220 voltage, and then you turn on the main power, then you can see the temperature display 80 and the time display 5 minutes. So when you open the door, the lamp turns on, and you can take out the sliding frame and slide out frame like this. And before we taking in the Galaxy S5, we will take apart the back cover and battery, because any inflammable material should not be put inside. Any chemicals, any volatile materials must not be put inside. Also, paper cannot be placed. And when the door opens, it places the DO. After placing the smartphone, you slide in the frame and close the door, and the lamp turned off, and now it's ready to start heating. After blinking, it starts to heat up. Now at the moment, the temperature inside the chamber is 16 Celsius degrees. From 16, it will slowly increase the temperature, because if temperature quickly increase, the plastic cover will be badly influenced. So we designed this machine not to influence any outer plastic case. So at present, the measured temperature is 16, and for your information, when there is a smartphone and when there is no smartphone, the measured temperature is different. And also the heating method is air convection by the fan. So inside there is hot air, and circulation is proceeded very slowly. And once the temperature reached 80 Celsius degrees, it will sound one beep sound, and the time countdown from 5 to 0 minutes. So we designed this not to be overheated within the tolerable range, because if the temperature is too high, the material of a plastic case is deformed. So please pay attention. You do not use any handheld heating gun which has 350 to 400 Celsius degrees. Many users used to use handheld heating gun to disassemble smartphone, but at that time the high temperature may influence the plastic case, polycarbonate. So we designed this dryer through many tests and trials, and this is a very stable and very effective dryer to replace the glass of the smartphone. And there are many brands of smartphone: Samsung, LG, Nokia, BlackBerry, and any other brands. You must understand the inside structure, especially the glass and front cover structure. So beforehand you study and how to use these glass absorbers to safely detach those things. So if you use the heating gun, the sticky residue will be left after you detach the glass. But if you use this dryer, those sticky things are very cleanly to be detached. So we can say that this is very effective when you disassemble the glass. About this machine, you can use two arrow buttons. This is temperature up and down arrow, and when you touch it one time, it will blink, and you can adjust the temperature. Also, if you push the both up and down arrow button, you also adjust the temperature tolerance. If you click the button, it will blink and show that 5, and from 5 you can increase 0.1 degrees, maximum 8. So you can increase from this setting about 3 degrees higher. And this blue button is for the heat conservation. Our factory setting is 50 Celsius degrees. As long as the power is on, if you click this button, the machine will maintain at least 50 Celsius degrees. So after you hit one smartphone and the next time you try to hit another, then if you click this button, you can save the reheating time. And this dryer obtained European Electrical Safety Certificate of CE. And the inside the circuit of this dryer has some safety devised circuit, which is to prevent overcurrent and overheating. So if the inside temperature is too high, the machine will give out some error messages. So this can be said very effective and safe. Now you can wait and check other parts of our products. This is a soldering mat RG202. This material is silicone, but this is not the usual silicone, very specially made, which is to withstand the high temperature over soldering iron and solder. We tested with 1000 degrees of gas torch, and also we tested with usual lighting devices, but it didn't influence this material. So please take note that this original product is supplied from our company REGENI directly. So if you have any question about our product, please visit our website www.regeni.com/en/ so you can consult any question, and you can get any technical information from us to repair your smartphone. And actually any mobile devices like a tablet and any gaming machine and any other machine which need to be replaced with front cover, you can use this dryer to heat up. Mainly by this machine to heat up the mobile devices is to melt the sticky double-sided tape. Once the sticky things is melted by the high heat of this dryer, you can cleanly detach those protective things. And for your information, these two glass observes require some vacuum, so the surface should be very flat and without any space that allow the vacuum leakage. So if you try to detach any cracked glass, I recommend you to apply any Kapton tape to make the surface flat. So in time of placing the cracked LCD, please apply the Kapton tape and heat up the smartphone, and then you can make the flat surface and you can use these glass observers. And these lines are anti-ESD printing line. If any compartments are placed in this, it can be exposed to any static current. As information about 200 voltage static current may influence the small compartments. So if you connect this anti-ESD electrical line, at the end top there is a crocodile clip. So on the multi-tab there is metal part inside of the round outlet. You find the metal part inside the outlet and then use crocodile clip. You pinch the metal part, and now you hear one beep sound. It means that the target temperature 80 reached. Actually it is not exactly 80, but the setting temperature of 80 reached. So for your information, when there is smartphone and no smartphone, the measured temperature is different. Now the time will count down from 5 to 0. So during this time, the machine may display 81 or 82. So this means 8 degrees will be maintained, but during this time the temperature has a tendency of inertia to go up a little higher, but this tendency is within tolerable range. So this heating process is related with some melting point. So these semiconductor parts are very sensitive by the current and temperature. So without considering these parameters, you may decrease your success rate. So if you use this smart device, smart solution, you can increase success rate, and you can utilize your work standard and quality more higher. Now we are awaiting the time to be 0. Now it is 3 minutes, and now the measured inside chamber temperature is 82. About this disassembly tool RG202, one side has stainless steel. When you try to disassemble some parts that require little more force, then if you use the plastic part, it may be weak against the strongly connected part. But if you use this stainless part, it can be more helpful to use more force, and also it can be safely used. So this tool is widely used in service centers in South Korea. This smartphone dryer and these soldering mats are sold in South Korea Samsung service centers, and we have sold this dryer to more than 5,000 pieces all over the world, and we welcome you try to use these solution sets. After the heating finishes, it sounds 3 beep sound to alarm you finish it. And you close the door and you take out the sliding frame and you take out the smartphone. And now you can use the glass absorbers. Now you hear the inside hitting sound. And if you can use 50, you see. And now we use glass observers to carefully detach the front cover and glass. You must know the inside structure beforehand, because the inside structure may be connected with any electrical wires and connectors. So if you strongly and suddenly jerk off the front cover, you may harm the inside part, so you must understand beforehand. And about Galaxy S5, you have to use tweezers to take out the part. Now the detached side are very clean. You cannot find any sticky things. Not 100%, but it is quite clean and neat. So thank you for watching.